Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota CHR rear brake pads. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Gather all necessary tools, including a jack stands, a lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Safely lift the rear of your CHR and support it securely with jack stands. Then, remove the rear wheel. Before removing any components, you must activate the rear brake service mode for vehicles with an electronic parking brake. This typically involves a specific sequence of pressing the brake pedal and the parking brake button. Once disengaged, unbolt the two 13mm caliper bolts and carefully remove the caliper. Then, slide out the old brake pads and inspect your brake rotor for any signs of excessive wear or scoring. Clean and lubricate the caliper slide pins to ensure smooth operation. Next, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. For rear calipers, this often requires a tool that rotates the piston as it pushes it back into the bore. Once the piston is fully retracted, install your new brake pads, ensuring the wear indicator is correctly positioned. Reattach the caliper and torque the bolts to 25 foot-pounds. With the new pads and caliper reinstalled, reattach the parking brake cable if it was disconnected. Replace the wheel and lower your vehicle. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to ensure the pads are seated against the rotor. Finally, take your Toyota CHR for a test drive in a safe area to confirm proper braking function and that the electronic parking brake is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.